Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Bike train only, right?
Yeah.
See what you got. Bike train. You're good to go, huh? We'll collect them in a few minutes, all right?
Hosting many Victorian era buildings at Grace Broadway, including the former New Jersey Central Station to your left, providing you with a To your left is the abandoned P2 switch tower that was the control sites for trains traveling through the junction until April of 1972. The bridge we are now on spans the Lehigh River and provides a connection for both rail and pedestrians between Jim Thorpe and the Lehigh Gorge State Park. Looking to your left, you'll be able to see the Lehigh River, while looking right, you'll get a brief view of the town of Jim Thorpe.
Hey everybody, it's July 23rd. It's about 92 degrees and we just came off the bike train. Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. It's the burial place of the famous Olympian Jim Thorpe, who was arguably one of the most athletic men in our history. Was Olympian and then football and baseball player professionally. He was buried here in Jim Thorpe. Anyway, they have a bike train and then they have a trail down the Lehigh Gorge for riding your bikes. We traveled on the bike train from Jim Thorpe to Whitehaven, Pennsylvania. And then we get off the train and then we ride 25 miles back down the trail. It's not really a difficult trip. It's mostly like slightly downhill. So you don't have to be in extreme shape for it, but you do want to be ready to pedal for a little while. So last year we did 15 miles, this year we're doing the 25 miler, and we're just going to show you a little bit of the trail and hopefully you'll enjoy it. Yep, let's go.
Okay, you ready?
we've made it 10 miles so far. This is where we started last year. And this is the only restroom facility from here to Jim Thorpe. So if you get to this point, then it's probably a good idea to stop and use the facilities and just take a breather, get a little snack, get some extra water in you, and listen to the water flow down here. We got the river. It's just a beautiful little scenic trail, so you definitely get your fill of mountainscapes, some waterfalls here or there. It's been good so far. They say watch out for rattlesnakes and copperheads and something else, black snakes, but we haven't seen anything yet. And they sometimes can see black bears, but it's pretty hot out, so we probably won't see any of them. Anyhow, let's see how the rest of the trail treats us. This is what most of the trail looks like near the river. It's this single lane road that they can use to bring emergency vehicles up through, and most of it has a canopy above it, so it's shaded. So even on a hot day like today, most of your ride, maybe 80% of it, is going to be in the shade, so that helps out with the heat. And just bring a bunch of water. Most of us have like a Camelback water bladder system of some sort, and just have a good time. It is a good distance, but it's doable just about anybody. We've seen young and old, fit and a little less fit. Some people with e-bikes, some people with like I don't know, like a enduro style, like not quite road bike, but not, what do they call them, like a hybrid. Some with full suspension mountain bikes, and even a couple of BMXers. So just about anything would work. And we even saw somebody with an e-bike with a little wagon on the back pulling their dog. Got about 8 miles to go. We're right along the tracks now. The tracks crossed over the river back there. We came back to this side. Getting close to the end. It's like a mile left. The girls are in front of us, and Joy and I are just plugging away. Bring a lot of water if it's hot out. We kind of ran out in a couple of our water bottles and one of the Camelbacks. Good job, babe. We just finished the bike train and the bike ride back. 25 miles is a little bit of a hike, so just bring enough water, be prepared. We got changed into something a little drier, or a little less bikey, I guess. We're gonna go find some restaurants. There's a lot of really cool stuff to do here at Jim Thorpe. You could walk through the Acer Packer mansion, which is a pretty cool thing. A lot of sights to see and a lot of food and vendors. It's just a pretty neat trip. So if you get a chance to, you're looking for something in the Pennsylvania area, come on down here and check it out. And you can even rent a bike at Pocono Biking or something like that, and if you don't have your own. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the trip, and we will catch you on the next video. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you on the next one.